Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? Let's start our English lesson. The theme of our lesson is weather. Ауа райы тақырыбын бастаймыз. Okay, open your people's book at pages 68 and 69. Today we will talk about the weather and to talk about summer and winter activities. You know, it's seasons and months. Бізде қанша жыл мезгілі бар? There are 4 seasons, yes? It's spring, көктем, summer, жаз, autumn, күз, winter, қыс. And months, айлар, айдың бізде 12 түрі бар. Yes, you are right. Okay, look at the picture and answer the questions. Tell me, boys and girls, what season is it? Yes, it's winter. Good. And what's the weather like? Ауа райы қандай? It's cold. Далада суық. Good. What clothes are they wearing? Балалар қандай киім киген? They are wearing jackets, hats. What holidays are there in this season? It's New Year and Christmas, and you can see here the words you may need. Мұнда бізге керекті сөздер көрсетілген. Мысалы, біріншісі summer, autumn, spring. Екіншісі hot, warm, cool, sunny, windy. Okay. Now let's learn new words about weather. It's snowing. It's snowing. Қар жауып жатыр. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. Бұлтты. It's sunny. It's sunny. Күн ашық. It's windy. It's windy. Желді. It's cold. It's cold. Суық. It's foggy. It's foggy. Тұманды. It's hot. It is hot. Ыстық. It's raining. It's raining. Жаңбыр жауып жатыр. Boys and girls, okay, you are right. Балалар, үй тапсырмасы 69-ші беттегі 3-ші тапсырманы орындаймыз. Goodbye.